In today's video, I'm sharing a weekend clean with me where I'm just hopefully getting you motivation to get your houses nice and clean for the weekend ahead and getting ready for the new week. There's lots to be done in today's video. We had lots of messes going on from lots of busy activities. So if you guys all enjoy this video, you can get lots of motivation, or you can watch this video to get that motivation to get up and get something done, whether it's something big or small. I hope you find the motivation to be able to do that. Thank you guys all so much for being here, and let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Your eyes, what is on your mind? I think it's time. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Like I said in the intro, we are going to be doing a weekend clean with me, just hopefully getting your houses ready for the weekend ahead, the week ahead, or if you're cleaning just on a day of the week, that your house can get nice and reset for the day. But I hope this gives you lots of motivation to be able to tackle that project that you've been needing to, or you can get up and tackle along with me while I'm cleaning in today's video, and you can just have a friend and company to be around. But we started off with making the bed, and then we're going ahead and just showing you all the befores. As you can see, our house was trashed. This was actually filmed once the weekend had ended. If you guys have watched any of my videos, you guys know our house gets trashed at the beginning of the week after the weekend because we're in and out, but I always like to do a weekend clean up and then after the weekend, because I feel like my house just gets so messy during those times. So I hope you get lots of motivation. Now that I showed you all the befores, we're going ahead and starting in the kitchen. We needed to take care of the dishes, clean up our daughters and I swim stuff because we had swimming lessons this morning, all that kind of stuff. So we're just gonna get into it. Got chills down my back, you do it right, the way you're holding me. No, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it, we won't regret it. So come with me, maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. I wanted to make sure I got my load of laundry started pretty early in the day, because where we have swimming lessons 4 days a week for the night for like 2 weeks, I've had to wash towels and swimsuits pretty often, and just with summer I feel like we are in and out so much that the laundry kind of gets a little bit backed up. So I wanted to try to get ahead of it and just get it in the dryers, and I mean washer, wow, to get it nice and cleaned, and then we could go ahead and finish cleaning the kitchen, just so that way that was just going as I was getting all the cleaning done. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood. If you like lots of cleaning motivation, decorating videos, seasonal decor videos, and then like mom life stuff, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. I do lots of those kind of videos, and I just am sharing all of the things about me just being a first-time mom and all that kind of stuff, and I would love to have you subscribe.
In your arms of gold, it's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
We had quite a few dishes this day, so I went ahead and just hand washed the dishes that couldn't fit into the dishwasher, and then the dishes that I always just hand wash. So that way just all the dishes were done. I don't usually like to hand wash the dishes that can go into the dishwasher, but this day I just wanted all of them to be done, so I went ahead and did it this day.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
We had a pretty crazy, kind of scary, busy weekend. I'm not going to get into many details with it, but on Sunday we were just kind of like recovering and getting lots of rest, and we kind of just like let the house go a little bit. Waverly was playing as we were just kind of resting and all of that, so I just needed to give the house a good reset. I don't know about you guys, but do you guys feel like after the weekend you just have to give the house a really good reset? I feel like that's just always us. Monday is just my day to get lots of cleaning done and get the house nice and reset so our week can go good. And then Friday I always love to do a good cleaning reset too, just to make sure the house is nice and clean, because our weekends are so busy, especially in the summertime, where it is so nice. We're just always in and out, and then with that just things get dropped everywhere. So I just like to do the majority of that cleaning during those days, so that way our weekend isn't as crazy, and even with me doing those things, our house still looks like that, which is insane and slightly embarrassing.
See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget. Ooh, then no one coming through the door is your silhouette. in my eyes. When the day turns into night, it's you. Under my eyelid, one big fight, it's you. Well, everything can go to pieces, I don't care, as long as you're there.
Okay, we've got the majority of the living room clean, and now we're going ahead and just tackling this laundry really quick. We're going to get it nice and folded and then put away, so that way all we have to do in this living room is just vacuum the couches and the floors.
Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture, like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. I'm a clenched fist in the rain for you. I'm mental patient, half insane. It's you. Now everything can go to pieces, I don't care. Like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. Racing pulse, we get loud. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture, like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. Save some light, build some strength. We're gonna go past forever.
Now I'm going to go ahead and just give the floors a really good vacuum. I was going to mop this day, but I decided not to. I just went ahead and just gave the floors a vacuum and called it good for the floors this day.
Keep us going steady. Like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. Racing pulse, we get loud. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture, like the sun kisses the clouds. Keep us going steady. It's game on. Like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on. Racing pulse, we get loud. Game on, stay strong. All I wanna do is sail into you. Help me paint the picture, like the sun kisses the clouds. It's game on.
Okay, so we have those floors tackled, and now we're going to head into the bathroom, and we're just going to do a really light tidy. I just want to clean those counters off, wipe them down, and that's really going to be it for the bathroom. I wasn't planning on doing anything crazy, but I hope you guys all enjoyed this weekend reset cleaning and this weekend clean with me. And if you were cleaning during, whether it was the weekend, the end of the weekend, the beginning of the weekend, the day of the week, whatever it is, I hope you're able to get lots of motivation. And if you're cleaning on with me, I hope you got lots of enjoyment. If you did find this video enjoying and motivating, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Those things always help boost my channel to other people who might also want to watch this video. But thank you guys all so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you guys all so much for being here. See you guys.
Toxic.